guys, hey bakers and pastry chef. So now I found this very easy recipe for French macaron because everyone is like obsessed to this, but it's kind of very tricky to do, like to work with the French macaron. But I have a simple and easy recipe for you guys. I have only like I want a coffee flavor. Well, if you want only an almond flavor, it's only 3 ingredients. I have this sugar, I have this almond paste, and I have the egg whites, and I have some vanilla. So it's like 3 major. Yeah. And then, so everything is ready. I have to mix this egg and, how can you see that? The egg and the sugar all together. Stir it from the boiled water below. And then, you need to reach the temperature of like 60 degrees. And then our mixture is ready for mixing on our almond paste. So we need to reach the desired temperature. Okay. So constantly whisking it. So don't come here. It's hot. So my baby is here. Wait, I'll do it.
I put that.
So next time we do a big demo baby next time. Not this time. Okay, so the temperature is 53. So now you're done. Keep going until you reach the 53.
Okay.
60 rather. Okay. So we're ready on 62. Time to turn off.
Turn up.
Yeah. Degrees. So, and then I'm gonna switch with the wooden spoon. So I have here the almond flour, and then the coffee all together, and keep on mixing them until so I am going to start piping now. So I have here the tip. It's very easy guys, very easy, a very simple recipe. Oh, as you can see there's some granules there. It's okay, that's part of our design for the coffee. The coffee almond macaron. Okay, so I have to do like this, and then slowly pipe it. Push it a little bit there. Then we start here. I have this. So just done baking, and you'll see how it looks like. It's not bad guys, not bad for this method. It's really cool too. Yeah. So we're going to put the filling in this. I'm gonna do chocolate ganache. open now. This thick ganache. So we have a thick ganache now. See that? So in few minutes we're going to pipe this on our let it relax for a few minutes and then ready to pipe. So right now I'm going to put the ganache on our pastry bag and then pipe it to our macaron. I have this thick ganache to use for our macaron. Okay, put this on the side. I'm gonna start piping our ganache. Okay. So I have with me, I have to pair this. This one is a nice pairing. See that? Then we put this in the top. Let's spread it on the side too as well. This is now our French ganache, French macaron. So I want some coffee granule on the side later. We will see. So I'm gonna put this in our table. Ooh, so messy. Okay. You see that? Yeah. More closer. It looks shiny and coffee. Coffee color. Okay, I'm gonna need another pair of why do I need to do like this? Yeah. Then I have another pair here. There you go. So that's it. Then tap it in here and slowly press to see the ganache going out from the shell. Here, like that. Do you see that, guys? Yeah, like that. And then another pair of shell. I believe this one. I have a very good consistency for the shell. So I have with me the orange marmalade here. So I'm gonna brush some orange marmalade on top of it a little bit, and then I have a granule of coffee granule to have some design, you know, like you will be able to identify, oh, this is coffee macaron. Or brush orange marmalade there. I like something like chocolatey coffee with a little bit of acid for my macarons, so I have some granule of coffee here, just a little bit, guys, just too bitter. This is really good taste actually. I like this. I like coffee. Okay, so that's our French coffee macaron with thick ganache inside. So I also want to have some touch of gold here, so some spray of gold. Just gold dust. So look, it's so nice too as well. Okay, that's all we have today. See the gold there, guys? I'll show you the gold. So yeah, there you go. You see the gold? There's some dust of gold in there. And coffee on the top. Not bad for this one, right? So let's do the focus again. So this is our macaron, guys. It's our finished product. Yay, it looks so good. So not bad for this recipe. Very simple and very easy. Not too complicated to do it. So just ask me some question if you want to know how I made this. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. See how it looks like. Not bad, right? The gold is there. Yeah, the bottom is not bad too. This is a coffee. There, it's gold dust there. So, okay, that's chocolate in my hand.